Hello everyone, welcome back again to On How channel. My name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below. I don't reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I will show you how to make a slideshow images clickable on your Shopify store. And this trick that I will show you in this video, it works for every team. So whatever, if you're using Refresh team or Sense team or any of the free available teams provided by Shopify, this trick will work for you just fine. And if you are using some paid team, it might work for you. If it's not, then make sure to contact the team providers to make that change for you, because you paid for it. You should get the support, right? However, if you are using the free teams available by Shopify, then this trick will work for you just fine. And you will be able to set the images on the banner clickable on your Shopify store. So the images on the slideshow will have a link actually on them. And once the customer sees a link and click on it, it will take him directly to the link that you set it to. And that will be really good for making promotions and so on. If you do make pictures based on our products and they have promotions and so on, it's better to have a link on them, because once the customer sees picture, he can actually click on it and it will take him directly to the product with the discount code or whatever the case is. But unfortunately, for the team customizer, for down team and a lot of teams, there is no option in order to add the link for your Shopify banner, and you cannot add links to the images. But you are watching On How channel and I will show you how to do that. As I said in this video, I will show you how to set the banner images and the slideshow images clickable for your Shopify store. And without any more talking, let's just get to it. But before we start, if this video helped you out, help me out pressing that like button. I would really appreciate it. It's completely free and it will take you like a millisecond to click on the like button, and it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. So I would really appreciate that. And let's just jump to it. As you can see, by the way, this is the Shopify store that I do all the tutorials on. And everything you see in this Shopify store, I did them in tutorials, including the transparent header like this, and the video banner, as you can see, is playing underneath the header, and the hover effect for the menu, as you can see, because this is just down team and those options are not available on the team customizer or the team options, as well as removing the underlines once you hover over the menu like this, and a lot more actually. For example, even removing the cart icon or removing the search icon from your Shopify store. So every little thing that you cannot do from the team customizer, I did make the videos on how to do them. And the code is always available for free on the description box. The only thing I'm asking for is just a like, please, just like the banner says. And for the sake of this sad emoji, to make it a smiley other than a sad emoji. And I talk too much about my videos and things that I do. I apologize. Let's just go talking and let's just jump to how to make the images on the slideshow for your Shopify store clickable so the customers can click on them. And as you can see, the Shopify store doesn't have the images on the banner. Instead, I have a video. So I will not use this Shopify store for the example. I will use instead the regular down team without any video on it. So let's just close the Shopify store and let's just access the online store from the left menu in here. Then we will preview the down team that doesn't have the video banner, which is this one right here. So just right click and preview, so we can check out the Shopify store, and here it is. So I want this picture right here to have a link on it. And once the customer sees the picture, he can actually click on it and it will take him directly to the link that I set it to. And as I said, that will be really beneficial for a lot of reasons. So let's just get back to the dashboard right here. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on the three lines right here on the left of customize and click on edit code. After that, it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify team. Then the next thing you're going to do, instead of looking up on the folders and so on, because we need to find the file, simply click on the search bar right here at the top of the page and type in image dash banner, just like you see on the screen right now, and you will see this file called image-banner.liquid. So make sure to find this file right here, then simply click on it and it will show you a bunch of code in here. And no worries, you will not edit any code or anything like that. I will provide you with the full code that will do the trick. But first, make sure you do one thing, because the video will live forever on YouTube. So in the future, in case the changes implemented by Shopify themselves did stop this trick from working, you will not mess up your Shopify store. But for now, as I said, it's working just fine. And as I said, the video will live forever on YouTube. So instead, if you are watching this video more than a year or 2 years and there was a lot of changes happening when it comes to down team or any team you are using, click in here on this code, the code that you did find on image-banner.liquid, and click on Control A or Command A if you are on Mac, and make sure to copy the whole code in here. So simply copy the whole code in here, and make sure you do that again, just a habit. I'm getting paranoid when it comes to copying. After we did copy the whole code in the image-banner.liquid, make sure to save it somewhere. Open up a notebook or something like that and save the whole copy of this code right here. Just in case in the future it didn't work for you, you can simply get back to the previous version that's working just fine but doesn't have the link for it, and look around for other options to add the link to the image. So make sure you do that. So I'm going to do that actually right now. I'm going to use the pastebin, which is the link website I use for the codes I do share. So I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to keep it in here because I always revert back to the previous version when it comes to tutorials. I don't want everything I implement on the Shopify store to stay there forever. In case in the future I want to show other video that's using the same thing. So I'm going to save it, and make sure you do so. Just save the code in the notebook or somewhere else. And right now the next thing you're going to do is scroll down the description box and you will see a link named as code. And you will not have to pay for it or anything like that. As I said, it's completely free. So simply click on the link and it will take you to this page right here for the same website where I did save the code, as you can see. So this is the code that will do the trick. And the next thing you're going to do, make sure to select the whole code in here, because we're going to replace the whole code in image-banner.liquid. That's why I said make sure to save it somewhere, because we're going to replace the whole code in here. So make sure to select the whole code. Let me select everything in here. Come on, faster, faster, faster. Here we go. And the line, the last line in here is number 567. So make sure to select the whole code, then simply right click and copy. Let me do that again. Here we go. After that, get back to the code editor and simply remove the whole code in here. So let's just select the whole thing and remove the whole code and simply paste in the new one. You understand now what I said? Make sure to make a copy of the previous code, just like I did here, right? And after that, make sure to hit the save button so the changes will be saved, and we will get back to the code to the team, and we'll get back to the theme customizer, and we'll do the trick to add in a link to the image of the banner. So let's just get back to the theme editor, and let's just click on customize button to customize the slideshow or the banner. And here we go, we are on the theme customizer. The next thing you're going to do is simply click on the slideshow right here. Click on the slideshow or the image banner, and you should see the option to customize it. And if you notice, there is a new option in here, says link, as you can see. So this is the option that will actually enable us to add any link to the image of the slideshow, just like you see right now. So in here, we're going to paste any link, and I'm going to get back to the Shopify store and copy the product from here. Let's just copy the link for this product. So I'm going to simply copy the link for the product from here, or you can actually do it from here. I've been stupid again. I apologize. Simply click on the link in here. If you want to select some products, simply click on the link in here. Then you will see collections, pages, products, and click on products. And let me select the product. Here it is, this product right here. So right now we did set a link to the image. So simply click on save, and the changes were saved. Let's just get back in here and let's just access the home page, which is this one right here. And as you can see, if I hover with the mouse over it, it does show just like it's a clickable, and you can actually click on it. So let's just click on it and see if it will take us to the product or not. Just click. As you can see, it did take us to the product. Let's just do that again to make sure it's working fine. And here it is. As you can see, let's just click again. And here we go. So right now we have the slideshow images clickable, and the customer can easily click on it and it will take them to any link that you did set it to. And that was easy, right? So that's how you make slideshow images clickable on your Shopify store easily without using any apps or anything like that. And as I said, if you have any issues with this or anything like that, make sure to drop me a comment below or check out my Instagram right here below me. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.